Hello everyone, welcome to my Procedural Asteroid Generator plugin. This is a custom editor tool that lets you create infinite variations of highly customizable and flexible asteroids and rocks and add them to your Unreal projects. This is currently available on my Patreon page, so support me by becoming a member. In this video, I will be giving you a quick overview on this plugin so that you can understand how the parameters are working and how to make the most out of it and generate completely customized rocks and asteroids for your awesome Unreal project. So let's get started. We can create a new asteroid asset by opening the context menu, going to miscellaneous, and here you get the asteroid asset. This is the viewport where you can preview your mesh, and the right side you have the properties panel. Everything that you need to set to customize your asteroid are present in this properties panel itself. So first let me set up the material for the asteroid. I will just show you this material. It is using this world aligned texture and normal respectively. This works with the current UV setup, but I will soon add different types of UV so that any kind of material is going to perfectly work without any visible UV seams. Okay, so here we have the seed parameter to randomize the generation, and the base radius does not do much over here, but it actually changes the radius of the asteroid when you add this directly in the viewport. So you can adjust this accordingly, but obviously you can also scale the asteroid directly in the viewport as well. Now let's look into the noise properties. So the parameters noise scale and noise strength are kind of important ones to determine the overall shape of the noise. So these properties are pretty much self-explanatory, and you can definitely play along with this and you will quickly get an idea of how these are working together to give the kind of shape that you're looking for. You can also use the scale property to scale your asteroid in one of the three directions, and just like the base radius, this will also not increase the scale of the asteroid here, but you can see its effect when you add this in the viewport. Now let's adjust the craters. There are two types of craters. The large craters can have the size of up to 500% of the base radius, and the small crater size can range from 0 to 100% of the size of the large craters. There is nothing much to explain over here, because once you start tweaking these properties, you will understand how these parameters are working in conjunction with each other. And this one is a large deformation array. You can add elements in here and set its property to create some custom deformations as well. Now let's play along with the parameters a bit. Also, once you become the Patreon member and download this project, you will get access to its Discord server where you can connect with me regarding any bugs or any queries, or maybe if you want any feature request to be added, I will consider that as well. Once you're done, you can convert this to a static mesh by clicking on this button. Here is the static mesh created. Now either use this as nanite, and you can also create more and more LODs, and that is going to be very optimized. Let's look into the triangles in the wireframe mode. Let me go to the last LOD and now go to the lit mode. You can see that even in the lowest LOD, it is still looking very optimized. You can either place the static mesh in the viewport, or you can directly place the asteroid assets in the viewport as well. That is going to be creating an actor class with procedural mesh component in it. That's it for today's tutorial, and please consider supporting projects like this by becoming a Patreon member, and in return you will get a lot of different types of Unreal assets and code templates. Alright, so that's it for today's tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.